Hello everyone, if you're watching the replay, you have to skip like few minutes because I'm just setting up the software and everything. Slowly figuring out things as I go, because it's kind of tricky, when you're using new softwares and stuff like that. Okay, give me a second. Let me put more light for you guys. Okay, so just to make sure everything works smoothly, just fine, I refresh this. How many lives do I have? Okay, so one is live, one is says notify me. I'll delete that one. Okay, I'll just screw this. Guys, you can skip 5 minutes, okay? Just give me 5 minutes. Not 5, but just saying, skip 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm live, everything is smooth, fine. I just need to see if Facebook Live as well working just fine. I need to get the link as well. Alright, here we go, sharing with everyone. Alright, here we go. Yep, one set. Let me quickly see if the YouTube is fine as well. Perfect. Okay, Facebook Live. I think I'm live there as well. Facebook is being annoying. It's not showing me that I'm connected to the show link to Facebook. V5. Yeah, that's fine. The key is fine. Everything is fine. Just go live and see how it goes. Streaming setup, public. It's just not connecting today. YouTube Live, Facebook Live. Active broadcast, no. Schedule test broadcast before go live. Alright, how can I learn about market analysis like your book and is something recommend? Read Market Wizard. No, what is it called? Not Market Wizard, is Trade in the Zone. Read Trade in the Zone. That's amazing book because it's gonna teach you about psychology. Everything I do, the trades I take, everything I do is I try to read market psychology. I try to understand who is getting screwed up and what people are thinking in that time. So I try to do what against most people. So whatever everyone is doing, I try to go against that. Okay. Connect the streaming software to go live. This is so annoying. Okay, I'll just quickly create that. Facebook Live, continue. Facebook Live, streaming software, and save. Okay, I have better quality. Why not? Let's go this. Let's do that. Alright, default, and here we go. I hope it starts going on Facebook as well. I think I've created that after, so alright guys, forget it. I'm just gonna use this on YouTube for today. I won't go live on Facebook. I'll just share the link on Facebook so everyone can join if they want to. Oh yeah, it just worked. I just saw it did work. I just saw saw it getting connected at the bottom, but now it's saying nothing. Facebook sucks, man. Alright guys, can you tell me if you can hear me well? Everything is smooth, fine. Just to make sure before I start, I know if you guys have any problem right now. Okay, cool. Alright, it's working fine. I have a lot of tab open. I don't know why. But yeah, I'm live. Facebook sucks. I'll just close that. Alright guys, and just keep an eye on this as well. It's working fine. Do you see the whole chart? Yes you do. You see the whole tabs, everything is fine. Alright guys, let's quickly start up with Bitcoin. Alright, Bitcoin is trying to, so basically I'll tell you what I did today. I was running out of cash because there's so many opportunity in alts, and I had no options other than, I don't want to take money from my bank. Like, I have a saving that I was gonna use for next few years, that I was like, if the market goes in bear market, I'm absolutely fine, I'm just gonna wait on and this and that. So I have extra saving, which is I'm always gonna have, because I feel very good when I have extra cash in my bank. I probably would have used that if the market would have gone to like 10 to 12,000. It did not. So what I'm going to do is, today I have sold small portion of my Bitcoin because I was 80% roughly in Bitcoin, and only 10% or 10% Ethereum. Right now I own a NFT which I've used most of majority of my Ethereum already. I paid 21,000 for this NFT. Yeah, I did. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just I've been sharing a lot of stuff on Twitter, guys. You wanna follow me if you wanna get quick updates. There's a lot of, I've shared like 5, 6, 7, 8 coins today with details, what I think, and what possible scenarios are with them. These are just for information. The link for Discord is you can find in the description anywhere you're watching on YouTube. Sorry, you can find in the description. You go to this link, anywhere you find everything that you can follow me on. So that's pretty much it. Like, it's simple. So last update I did is when the Bitcoin was breaking this up, right, and then last night Bitcoin tried to close below it, like right at the end, last hour, and it was very tricky. But again, you need to understand weekends are very manipulative, and market does do this kind of thing, trap more bears so they can just open shorts. But I think this is absolutely fine for now. There is nothing changed, market is just running. That's a good sign, because I personally think it makes no sense for market to just stop here. All right, a lot of shorts getting opened, and there's a lot of people that had stop loss up here. Stop loss has been taken out, even though there's a chance we can slightly move below and then grab up. But I think there's a huge chance that we can take this high, because there's a lot of liquidity sitting. Anyone that was longing for a bigger move, I've seen a guy on Twitter who's a kind of, he does have good money, he's a live trader. He said he was $1 million profit when the market was down, then he'd never booked any profit, then he had to close at $2,000. So you can see how people get stuck and they have to get out. This is what fueling this market, because people were like, it will definitely go to 10,000, 12,000. It did not. So this is where people get screwed. That's why I said to myself, look, when the market was here, I have this round, I posted chart. So it's not that I'm making it up. I have chart posted on my Facebook. If you want to scroll down, go ahead. That's the problem with Facebook. You can't search things. You have to scroll down, or you have to wait next year same day to see the memories. And Twitter, I see you can search things. That's very good. So that's why I'm posting everything, focusing on Twitter, because it's just better. It's much more mature when it comes to crypto. So I was buying when this fake art happened. So I was buying a lot here when it comes to Bitcoin. I've added here initially. I wanted to add more, so I've added all of it what I had here. And then when I start seeing this nice move here, move up and then high, low and all that here, I start adding a lot of even before that. So before the new year started around here, I start adding altcoin. Okay, I start adding altcoins slowly, gradually DCing in them. But now I have been fully invested before this leg up. Yes, if the market would have gone down, I would have used my savings, some of it, but not aggressively, because I know eventually when the market recovers, it just goes over quickly. And I'm up in everything that I have, like a 1 to 3x, except Bitcoin, of course, and Ethereum. Ethereum still had amazing run, buying around $1,100 to $1,200, so it's $1,600. So do the math. On top of that, I own the NFT now, but let's see how it goes. So when it comes to Bitcoin, I'm gonna see and monitor how the things go. But yesterday I didn't do analysis for you guys, but today I will try to do those. But if you wanna follow what I'm looking at, you wanna go here on Twitter. But if you want to get your coins analyzed, you can follow on Twitter. I do post that. Mention your coins and I will do analysis on them, and which I did. A lot of coins are looking amazing. They are just starting out. If you look at daily chart, they are just starting out, and I've been adding a lot on Twitter, man. Okay guys, drop your yes, Mark Douglas, that's the one. Trading in the Zone is amazing book. Read chapter 7 twice, even 3 times. Just grasp when it comes to psychology part. That's completely based on psychology. So I don't really care. It's for stock market, but the psychology is the same for every market. Alright guys, drop your coins. So Mover, I was looking at this when it was low last month, but again I'm not sure if I got this. Let me quickly have a look. Even if I would have added this, it should be very small amount of my portfolio. Yeah, I have got MOVR, so I probably added this very small amount just because I knew this had a good hype at a point. Yeah, I'm around 46% up on that, 50% roughly. So I'm up on this, but yeah, because I was buying around these zones. Alright, some coins I was starting buying, like big major ones, around this area when this consolidation was happening, and some I did here. So this was in November, end of November, and this was last month. So I did not add anything. I said that yesterday as well. So I did not add anything, hardly anything on this move down. But then here, which I've left over small portions, I start adding the coins that were moving well. But other than that, Mover is looking alright, nothing special in that, nothing special. If everything moves, this is gonna move. It tried to reject, bears tried to reject, but this is strong. I think this week I have a lot of stop losses which have been taken out already. People keep trying to short this. I think this can go, but again, if the whole market goes, this will move. The good thing with this type of token is not many back holders in these type of coins, and when the fresh move comes, you make a good ROI, I mean risk and reward. Look at this, you have a big move potentially playing this. Look at this, how much it dropped. Like, let's not go very high, let's take it from here. 98% drop, or maybe 99%, I don't even know. Yeah, 99%. I was checking at $7, so 99% drop. So it's crazy how much discount you can get in these markets. Some people, when they tell me they invested this much but they left with tiny bit now, it's crazy, man, if you don't cut your trades on time. But yeah, if you want to buy, put your stop loss around here is enough. It should not break below it, because if that was already strong rejection, it recovered. So stop loss here, let it ride for a while, at least make 1x or so. Your stop loss is literally like 20%, 15%, but again, don't put your total capital, divide your capital in like 10 to 20 coins, all right, because there are thousands of coins, so no one knows which coin is gonna go big, so that's why you need to divide into different coins and see how the thing's gonna move. Because I see it's a lower high right here, it's trying to break up, rejected. So there's a whole story you can read it went there, sellers try to think, okay, we'll go down, they reject it. When the slow moves are going, these are accumulations, so it's not just gonna drop easily. So a lot of rejection but still going means there is more demand than supply. All right. Check RSR. I think I've already posted about RSR right here. Let me just go. I posted about ApeCoin. I've been posting about ApeCoin, guys. It's moving very well. ADA, keep an eye on ADA, AVAX. So I've been posting about this. You guys are missing out. Okay, I'll go here, which I've said if you retweet with the code I will post. So RSR right here, I posted about RSR. It's changing the trend. RSR is changing the trend right here, and it's looking very good. I really like RSR, the way it's looking, and it's been good coin, like in sense of a lot of strength came in the last bull run in it and had a good run. It does have a good size community that is interested in RSR. Let me just see right here. I really like RSR because it broke up first, rejected, then now it's holding up. Alright, if it breaks the 1.85, it's gonna be pretty good. But if you guys buying a long term, mid term, you can set stop loss right here. I'm giving you a big stop loss because if the markets try to just shake out slowly, don't sell it, because we are sitting at the bottom prices. You don't want to get panic and just sell out. Alright, I really like what's happening there. Breakout, then retest yesterday, is holding up. Now today candle is trying to break out, so it's a very good liquidity sitting up this area. I really like what's happened here. I think if it's gonna break 1.85, we can see a big leg up. I mean, I don't know how long this is gonna take, but overall very solid chart. I really like this kind of chart, which create a lot of liquidity here. What I mean is, people that were buying here, setting small tight stoppers below this week and buying up here, they've been taken out. So these kind of moves down, and you need to think about it. This was actual high low support. It came exactly to that, and this was move up. Then this is just a noise, and then came down, and then now it's going up. So the setups market giving you are amazing right now, everywhere. And other than that, MVR Matic is done. Matic is, I don't like Matic. I'll tell you why. Matic is a good project, but it's already on top coins, and it did not drop. Look at this. Comparing to everything else, it did not drop as much. Okay, it dropped, but we will be looking at current prices, which is 65%. Like Bitcoin gave more discount than that. Yes, current price is different deal, but again, Matic, I'm not putting so much effort on that. It's a low risk and low reward coin, so that's why there's Algo is way better in that sense. Algo have dropped so much. Look at Algo, it dropped so much. It's sitting even last bull run lows, like literally sitting at lows, guys. If Algo moves, it's a great token, huge community around it. It's listed in major exchanges, even Coinbase is just starting moving. All right, it's starting an uptrend right now on daily, and I've added today more Algo. I have had Algos which I was buying around this area, okay, but I'm adding more, which is, I really like this high low which is creating. I've already shared Algo chart on my Twitter, but I really like what's happening with Algo. If you guys want to add some, add. Today is, like right now, is very good time to add Algo. If you want to add it. Again, I'm not saying giving you financial advice saying go add Algo, is gonna go moon, this and nothing like that. I really like what it did here. A strong pullback, and the buyers were waiting for this, and then boom, they take it, and now it's breaking to high on daily. First it got rejected yesterday, and now it's strong. Even though BTC is not moving, but also moving, showing there's money flowing into alt, because I personally sold BTC to get into the alts. So this is how market moves. I'm telling you stories, everything that I do based on that, so you guys have a proper idea of what's happening, what people normally do, which I am doing and others probably doing as well at the same time. because everyone first goes to the Bitcoin, accumulate Bitcoin because it's safer to do that, and then you jump into alts. So many of them. HBAR, wanna add those in my bag. Very good. These are Solid coin. HBAR is amazing. I'm probably up quite a bit on HBAR. I was buying HBAR around this area. I've said that before. So when this consolidation was happening, I was adding my coins here, and I'm not sure when I added HBAR by here or here. So HBAR did very well for me, and I've set an alert right here, 0.065. If it pulls back, I want to add more HBAR because the volume picked up very good and it's just broken the major area. Okay, now it's picking up strength and it's holding, consolidating here. It could take a while, it could take its time, but I think or it could just do one more there, and then there's a huge chance for it to do that. And if you zoom out, look at this. Okay, I'm probably looking to get there like F4, 3 to 4x here. I don't wanna just quickly sell out on my HBAR. I will. Okay, you need to understand one thing. I will look at the whole market and decide based on that if I want to sell or not, because this is just the first leg. I did this mistake selling in last bull run. I sold very early. I was buying in March, April, May. So March I was buying Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then April, May I started buying alts. I did buy slightly late around when they moved up, but from here, first leg up, sharp leg up, I sold out. But this is the mistake that I've done. They keep crawling up slowly, but let's see. RS up, I've already done that. Check Phil. Phil is amazing, guys. I'm waiting for Phil. I'm personally going to add Phil. Even FTM is so good. FTM, oh shit. This thing is moving. Okay, many charts you will see they look like this. Pull back, move up. When they break, this is what I'm looking for, all of them. So right now I'm waiting for this kind of move, but I don't think so mark is gonna go because no one wants to sell right now. Okay, smart money knows that they want people to FOMO in. This was very good area to add, which I missed with Phil, but I will be adding many other coins which look very similar. They are sitting around where this moved from. So if Phil gives me any kind of pullback, I will be looking to add that. I will move slightly up so I get an early alert in case it doesn't dip as low as I think. So yeah, Phil I'm not in, but yeah. XCN, I have no idea what XCN is. XCN, it's not even listed at any like exchange that I think are decent. Like I use only KuCoin and Binance. This is, I don't like this weakness. Alright, sorry, I don't know about this and I don't like this. I don't want to say anything. Vertical accumulation, baby. Invite me. Okay, keep it up. Thank you, Ahmed. Phil, I've already shared. Algo's having great community. Yes, Algo, Atom, ADA, HBAR, VRA, all these are great. Like many others as well. ASOS, please. Phil already done. Check Sol. I'll check ASO. Because if you watch these lives, you're gonna get a lot of new opportunity because market is just starting. Alright, the opportunities are endless here. I like it. I'm not gonna say I love it, but I like it. It's just starting moving. If they need some kind of support, this thing is just weird with S. Sorry, I'm feeling tired, guys. I've been sitting here doing the analysis on Twitter and everywhere. It's just so tidy every day. Last 2 weeks, every single day, same shit is going on. Same shit. Again, right now, I think these resistance do not even matter because so much consolidation is broken this high. It just don't even bother about support and resistance, guys. Whereas when you see a high being made, just get in. That is what I'm doing. I'm not even concerned about these minor resistance. There is just a liquidity. It's good for market that if there is a liquidity there. SO, I like it. Big volume picking up. Buyers are trying to buy, sellers are trying to push down, but end of the day, I think buyers are going to win in this. If you wanna buy SO, it's not bad. It's not bad. I will probably, I think I have SO. I'm pretty sure, not so sure, but no, I didn't add it SO, but why not? Okay, I'll just add a little bit of ASO just in case. Alright, just in case it gives good move. My cash is not gonna grow itself, so I have to put it somewhere. Hamid, you did not miss it. This is just the start. So many breakouts happening. I've added just now in last an hour, I've added 5,000 more into my alts. I'm keep adding more and more. $5,000 I've just added now, and I'm keep adding more. So you did not miss much. Let me check. Sol, I think I posted about a chart about, if you check my Twitter, I've already posted about Sol a chart. Sol looks very good because I'm already up on Sol 100% myself. Sol looks very juicy, guys, very juicy. What Sol did here was amazing. I've shared when Sol was doing this, taking all the lows here. I've shared because initially this setup was failed because BTC pulled back, but yeah, other than that, Sol was here a great buy. Right now it is still a solid one because it is rejecting the high up here from somewhere, a resistance, minor resistance, but I'm not really concerned or bothered about small minor resistance at the moment. You want to target Sol up here. So if the Sol, alright, if you want to know what is the best, a safer way, if the Sol breaks the high right here, you can get in and put stop loss down here. Right here, so you have a risk of probably not even 10%, guys, not even 10% risk, and in order to potentially make a 40%, so 4 times of the risk. That's in first level that I'm looking at, but I think there's more move potentially to come because there's a lot of people that were probably stuck from old zone, so they could be here trying to sell a pullback, I mean, in the short term. But if you want to hold Sol, you can look, it could go test these lows. There's a lot of empty zone here. If you see in this volume profile, it tells you that there was not much action happen, so means there's not many sellers or supply sitting here, but supply starts happening from $80 to upward. So I think volume is very good picking up on Sol. So if you want to pick up Sol, if you already had it, hold on to it, which I am doing myself. I own small amount of Sol, which I've added around $13 or roughly when it was moving up again. When I saw a huge volume spike coming here, I've added around 10, I don't remember, I didn't check, $10 to $13 somewhere there. So many coins, guys, so many coins, guys. Ask one coin. I cannot do so many coins myself, and I don't want to say no to you or no to others. So if you do one and one, there are some repetitives already I've shared. You can always watch the replay. My gosh, you know the worst thing right now, I had Bond in my watch list and I've checked and I don't own them. Like, I put them watch list, but I didn't buy a Bond. So this is the worst thing that can happen to you when you see it but you don't own it, man. Like every other chart, guys, every other chart we have this pattern. Every other chart, some broken hard already like this, some are just right here, and they will do the move eventually. All right, I'm giving you a very easy way to look at things. I have rows. I have rows already. There's another one. I check. Block Hotel. Tell me one of those. Block. Block. I like Block. That's a strong volumes and holding it. Very nice. When I see move up, then holds it. Next day is holding it. The next one, third one, is trying to break. This is one of my favorite patterns, just so you know. One strong leg up, one next one holding the price, very small candle, and the next one trying to break that. But yeah, if it tries to break this, it's already faking out. If you try to break this right here, this is gonna be a very good one. You wanna get in when it breaks up. You don't want to get in because it could just pull back further right here. Yes, it could be just a small high low, which is right here like this. But again, I rather prefer buying into the strength, into the momentum. Overall looks solid, guys. I'm not looking at zooming out because you need to see huge potential. Does have good size community because there's always been hype. I remember last run it had a lot of hype. So if you want to get in, you know how to get in. Like I'm just gonna set alert just in case. If I'm looking at block, this low cap coins sometimes give good rewards. Alright. Other than that is we had Rose. Guys, do not ask second one, please. Just wait unless someone asks. Rose is very good, same like other coins. It had this consolidation, which I really like. Whenever this happens and then breakout happens, it's very unlikely that it's going to be a fake out. You can buy the breakout because market is sitting at low prices. If that happens right at the top of the market when there's a strong move leg up and market is exhausted, that's a different story. But this phase, and I really like what's happening right here. Rose just did a fake out right here, a mini fake out. I've lost these two. Anyone that was buying this looking at bullish engulfing, had tight stop losses already been taken out. This is a very good setup overall in Rose, and I've added Rose, and it is like any other coin, guys. They're all looking like this, and this is very good. So that's why I've added more alts today, because everything is looking good. Guys, if I'm skipping yours, just ignore it because I'm just looking at the screen. The chat is keep moving, so I don't know exactly where I'm sitting. Where was I? I really like this overall. It had a huge run, a huge hype. I remember it because one of the guy on Facebook shared it. He was saying that he was sharing from lows here. It had crazy run for some reason, like so big. I don't know who was behind this run. Some kind of huge whales, but it's amazing looking chart. But yeah, if the community is already huge, some people, but there will be a lot of back holders as well, just so you know. You can set your first target around this price, but yeah, it's still a huge potential for you. 26 to there's a huge, like 4x potential if it goes up. So guys, you can put small. Do not go big on these kind of arts, guys. Go small unless you know the project, you're following it. I don't have time to research every project. Alright, some people that made huge money, they stick to one project or two and they research a lot deep into them, and then they are loyal to them. So I'm not loyal to a project. But yeah, what's the name of the okay, the name is volume profile. You need to be paid member. They don't allow you. It's free. I think it's from TradingView. It's called visible range volume, I think, this one. But you need to be paid member. You need to pay. Alright, support that. Thank you. Block is a Metaverse related. It's a high. Yeah, when the Metaverse hype, I don't know. No one knows when it's gonna come. When it comes, block is gonna rise. That's why I put alert. I'm probably gonna add a little bit on that because eventually there will be a trend of Metaverse. If they move, this is gonna move as well. Dart, I was looking at Dart earlier. My problem is Hamid, I don't know. I'm not gonna say that something to buy for hold forever or for 2 years because no one knows. Like Luna, I don't know. FTX, I stopped believing in any project saying like I will last forever. It's just not the case. I don't really care whatever it is, but yeah. FYI what is it? I haven't forgot the name. What's the symbol? It's not coming up. Oh yeah, Cube is an amazing project. I think it's gonna do very well for us. Dot, someone asked about dot. Dart is looking amazing as well. I've just probably I'm just waiting for this. I have alert here. If it triggers, I'm gonna add more dot to my position because I'm waiting for this breakout, and there's a high chance it will just break, because any coin that looking to break out is eventually breaking. Let me see how big my dot position is. Yeah, I'll just add a little bit more onto that. I'll add more when it breaks out. The dot is looking good, but it's just slow shit. I don't like this kind of coin. When you will exit from alts and invest again? I don't know, brother Hamid. I don't know when I'm going to exit. No one knows. So prep what? Pre-search. I don't know about this. Looks like low gap. Oh shit, this thing is already moving. Alright, you missed the breakout when it was happening right here. So when it was consolidating here, as soon as it broke out, that was entry. Let me see where was the good entry. The thing is, it's a very low volume coin. It's a very wiki, so you just want to buy it and not look too much at technicals. But here somewhere when it broke up this candle, you could have just added, but I'm not gonna chase this because I have no idea what it is. This but yeah, it's looking very good. Overall it's moved in uptrend now. It's probably going to test up these highs, but I'm not chasing this. LDO shit, LDO LDO looks very good. I've shared about this on Twitter as well. If you wanna buy LDO, up to you, but again, to me personally, looks very good, looking at it, because it's been consolidating here and just above this resistance that it broke, and I think it could move. As soon as it starts moving, it's keep creating a higher high. If you see each move here, the next one is higher, even though it gets rejected but never breaks the low. So it's holding up, getting accumulated. It had a big wick. So there's people that are shorting this. They have probably stop losses up here. So when we start moving above this, I think it's gonna spike probably. But yeah, I am in LDO. I do have LDO, but I don't know how high this thing is gonna go. But I think like APT went in discovery, guys. APT went in discovery. This is what I want from this. The way APT did, broke this high. Let me show you what I mean. The only reason I'm buying this as well, I have no idea what LDO is as a project. So the only reason I'm buying LDO is because I'm inspired by this. This chart, I was buying right here. I started buying APT right here, and everyone Discord as well. I've shared on Discord and everywhere. I was buying here and then gave good luck. I've added when it broke out up here, I've sold something else to add this here, and now I'm riding. I want this the similar thing happen in LDO. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, that's fine. I wouldn't suggest this weird coin. It is random wicks. Yeah, definitely same thing. That's why I said I don't like it. Please let me know about Wing coin. Wing USDT. Wing started picking up a lot of volume, like, and same thing with every other coin. They had this pullback and then they're rising. So Wing is changing its trend. It's alright. It's looking alright. It's at the lows, guys. If you like the project, if you wanna get in. Unless they already pumped few 100%. Like this did not hardly moved. Just zoom out, see the chart like this. Don't worry about it much. If you know the project, like it, if you believe in it, just get in. Simple as that. And Ron. Ron USDT. No. Ronin network. Damn, this is nice. Look at this. The thing is with this is it's being accumulated slowly. Okay, and eventually there will be a spike on it when smart money is done with it. And this is very, very unique chart, guys. I don't see many charts like this. Normally you have like a move a few days up to a week, small move, and then spike, but this is just not stopping, and I don't want to chase this. It's already up 100%. I don't know, I want to see what happens, a spike or wait for a pullback, and then something like that. I don't know, because you don't have any good place to put stop loss unless you go 4 hour. This is a good right now. If you want to risk it on this, there's a very easy position here. Stop loss here, and you buy the breakout. It's just breaking out right up here. You buy the breakout, stop loss here. If it fakes out, takes you out, that's absolutely fine, because if it runs, it could run a lot more. Okay, risk and reward is very good. Yeah, it is recording right now because YouTube records it automatically. I really like that. Alright guys, I really like this. It's the same thing, and it's breaking up. I've said earlier, this is my favorite setup. Whenever I see this is a setup that I really like to buy. It's already breaking, changing the daily trend, and it's already breaking another high as well at the same time. And this is a potential buy right now if you want to. Stop loss here, because this low already taken, the stop loss is down here. Stop loss here, you buy and let it ride, and then eventually when this breaks out trend line, everyone is looking at this, your next target is up here. Okay, that's the minimum target, guys. If you want to hold, probably into this. So there is a huge potential of 4x in this to 5. I've already done AVAX, Ape. Let me check Ape. No, sorry, I've already done Ape on Twitter, guys. If you want to see Ape, you just go to Twitter right here. I've done Soul right here, Ape. I've already done, looks amazing, guys. Already Ape. Sorry, 1 second. I was gonna look what, but I wanna see how big my position is. If I have small, I wanna add more. Yeah, I'll add a little bit more into that. Why not? Alright, why not? When you believe in something, why not add a little more? Alright, I'll do AVAX again. I think I didn't do AVAX. No, I didn't do this live. AVAX is another solid coin which I've added just now before this live, more into it, because I've posted on Twitter. Look at the potential. Okay, if the bull runs keep going on, I'm probably looking at $100 AVAX, maybe. Alright, that's 5x. But yeah, I've got AVAX from very low, guys, around $10, $12, $13. I've been buying AVAX down here, around here in December, November, end of November, right here, and probably I did some around 11 as well in December. So I've been buying AVAX, so I'm already up. So that's why I'm happy to add more. I can risk more on AVAX, but you guys don't want to risk much. So if you don't want to risk much, do not risk much. So you don't have to risk much if you don't want to. I keep things slow and steady, but I am just greedy. You know, I'm just greedy myself. Alright. Peak. I will just look at ZRX. I haven't looked at ZRX for a while now. I think I need to. I have Ape alerts here going on. Ape 5.4. You can have stop loss right here, 5.3, 5.4. If you want to buy AVAX, you probably can go to 7.5 to $8. It's looking alright. It's looking alright because it did what every other coin did, and there's a lot of hype around the game that they made. This, I really like this setup when it comes to Ape and most other coins. ZRX, that's very interesting reminder. I wanted to add ZRX, but I never did, just because don't know why I didn't do that, but yeah. What the fuck? Why we don't have USDT pay? Right here. Okay. Oh, it looks very juicy. Do I have ZRX? I would be surprised if I don't have ZRX. I have ZRX in my portfolio. I did buy ZRX at very lows. I don't know, it's not showing up what price I did buy, but I have very small amount of ZRX, so I'll just add more, but just in case this shit moves well. But yeah, that's fine. I had in my small amount, not much. Guys, if I'm adding now means I can risk it, I can do so. You don't have to follow. You guys are so emotionally attached with little moves. So much fear. Live and comment. Okay. ZRX, check your WhatsApp is important. What? You can see only my head? No, it shouldn't be like that. Because I can see the live, and you should be able to see me more than my head. That's fine. Man, that's fine. It's on small screen. Okay. Other than that, that's it, guys. You have anything? Sushi. I have sushi as well. Sushi is gonna be as a DEX. When it pumps, all the DEX is gonna pump, and this is gonna pump as well, and this is already doing so. I like it. This is already breaking up, and these are mini breakout, guys. Mini breakout starts to a bigger breakout. So if you get, this is initial moves, like literally starting right now. These are the initial moves, are confirmation that we have another leg coming. So if you're getting these moves, you are so good early as well. So you guys are giving me a lot of opportunities and reminder that go add some shit. Alright. You know, the surprising thing is no one asks about SHIB or Doge or anything like that. That's what's surprising me right now. Let me see how oh shit, this is looking good and juicy, guys. Oh my god, look at sushi just breaking out. All right, this one leg only just breaking out. This cannot be, there can't be better time than this for sushi. I don't know how long this rally is gonna last, but it's looking very nice so far. I'm gonna set alert just in case if it drops. I'm not sure how many alerts do I have. I have 10 in total, but not sure how many I have. Sushi, I'll add it in my list so I know. ZRX, USDT right here. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. There's another coin that I'm excited for, kind of, is this primer. I don't know, I want this to break up here, 0.15. If it does, it's gonna be pretty good in my opinion. And this coin, which is listed in Binance, I'm waiting for this to do something, probably consolidate, take its time here, which is already doing so. And if it breaks up here, probably good trade, and then stop loss down here. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this. I don't know how many lots I have. I've been putting a lot of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I will share more incoming tomorrow. There's always tomorrow, guys. Gala, I have Gala, so that's why I'm just gonna quickly do Gala. Gala, I've been waiting. This fucker is not moving. I'm waiting from last how many days? Last 1 week now. This shit is already consolidating, and when it moves, you'll see how it's gonna move. Alright, I'm telling you, this is consolidating so well. It was, when it starts moving, it will not stop before 0.7, because 0.7 is literally 30% up. So Gala, hey, that's the first move. There's so much to come. Gala, a lot of volume picked up. So much depends on Gala when it comes to gaming. Yeah, I've sold some Gala before to add money into something else, but now I have cash again, which I've added from my BTC holdings. I think I can add slightly more into my Gala, but I don't want to add at this price because I moved funds from this price 45. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it because I don't need to. I have enough position already. That's fine. Guys, that's pretty much it for today. Have a great day. Do share this and follow me on Twitter if you guys haven't. Join Discord, the link is in description. You can follow me on Twitter. A lot of updates, daily updates. I do a lot of stuff daily basis, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.